Hello, investors. Welcome to the second video of how to analyze stocks on Sharply. And in this video, we will focus on the analysis tab. So, analysis tab is divided into five sections, and the first one is summary recommendation. Here we show four key data points. First one is StleBox, which is our own proprietary stock classification methodology, where we divide stocks into 10 different buckets. Now, currently, the Bharti Airtel is in the neutral style box, so it is neither positive nor negative. The second one is QEM score. Currently, the score is 56.8. Again, this is our own proprietary score. You can learn more about it by clicking here. The third one is the analyst rating. Now, this number suggests out of total analysts which are covering these stocks, how many of them have a positive buy rating. So 70% have a buy rating, which is really good. And the fourth one is technical indicators. So we track total 23 indicators, and 21 out of them have a positive signal as of now. So technically, the stock looks really good. Now, the second point is key talking points. Now, in this section, you will be able to see positive, negative, and neutral points. Uh, for example, high and improving operating margin is a positive point. If you learn more about it, just simply click on it and you will be given some detail about this point. Same goes for the negative point. If there are any red flags in the business, it will be shown here. Now, as Bharti Airtel is a very reputed business, no red flags as of now. The third section is the style analysis section. In this section, we provide our proprietary stock scores, so value score, momentum score, quality score, and QEM score. These scores are provided with respect to market, sector, industry group, and industry. So you can toggle between them and look at the stock scores. Now, these scores are designed in a way that higher the score means better for the company. So higher value score means comfortable valuation, higher quality score means high business quality, and combining these three scores, we provide the QEM scores. The fourth section is the scorecard, where we show plethora of metrics and data points, and we divide them in different sections. As you can see, there are valuation related metrics, there are momentum related metrics, that are quality related, growth related, and we differentiate them in market, sector, industry group, and industry as well. So you can dive deep, analyze metric of your choice, and see how the stock is faring on valuation, momentum, quality, and so on. And the last section of the analysis tab is the checklist. Now, here we have created some checklists based on the framework of investing legends, and we call them Guru checklists. Now, you can see if the stock fits in the this checklist or not. So, if I see Oshugans tiny titans, Bharti Airtel doesn't fit well. But if I say Peter Lynch's growth value framework, it fits decently. If I say Oshugans is a value framework, then it fits really well. Like six out, uh, 6 out of 7 conditions are fulfilled by the stock as of now. So you can see in which of the legends framework the stock fits in. Now, if you have created any custom checklist, you can check whether the stock fits in or not in by clicking here. As you can see, I have created one custom checklist and it fits decent here. So that's it. This is how you can utilize the analysis tab on Sharply to gain some very data-driven, intelligent insights on a stock.